The Ministry of Health continues its work to provide quality healthcare services to all, even in the spirit of Christmas. Here's a look at this week's highlights.
Leadership means that you have to hold everybody to the same standard. And we must understand that. All of us, we have different roles in the system, and we have to hold the people who are under us accountable.
These were the words of the Honorable Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony, on December 6th while addressing the Senior Nurse Leaders Statutory Meeting and Workshop at the Grand Coastal Hotel. The event, held under the theme Senior Nurse Leaders, the Vanguard of Healthcare Progress, brought together leaders from across the country to discuss strategies for enhancing leadership accountability and the quality of healthcare. Dr. Anthony underscored the importance of continuous professional development, noting that the advancement in medical science required nurses to remain updated with new treatments, protocols, and diseases. On December 7th, the Human Organ and Tissue Transplant Agency hosted its stakeholders meeting at the Grand Coastal Hotel, marking a pivotal moment in the development of organ and tissue transplantation in Guyana. The event brought together healthcare professionals, policymakers, and other key stakeholders to discuss strategies for enhancing the country's transplant capabilities. While delivering the keynote address, Dr. Anthony highlighted the life-saving potential of organ and tissue transplantation and its vital role in improving healthcare outcomes.
In the area of transplant, there are lots of interesting development that can happen. And once we have this good team that is leading this effort, putting in the regulation, championing these things, we'll see these things realized faster, and we'll see advancement in the sector.
He praised the Human Organ and Tissue Transplant Agency for its dedication to ensuring safe, accessible, and high-quality transplant services in Guyana. On December 8th, the Minister of Health joined distinguished professionals, graduates, and their families at both white coat and induction ceremony hosted by the Pharmacy Council of Guyana. The event took place at the Pegasus Hotel in Kingston. Delivering his keynote address, he congratulated the graduating class, commending their dedication and hard work.
The real work starts when you start going out and practicing pharmacy. And I think that's where the real work lies. But today we're here to celebrate you. We're here to celebrate your successes. We need you to come into this system that we're building because we want you to be part of this transformative process that is happening in Guyana.
Dr. Anthony further highlighted the government's ongoing healthcare advancements, including the construction of the 6 new regional hospitals, slated for completion by April 2025, and the additional construction of the hospitals in Moruca, Lethem, Cato, and Bartico. On December 9th, the New Amsterdam School of Nursing in Region 6 marked a historic moment with the graduation of 148 students. The prestigious ceremony hosted by the Health Science Education Department celebrated the students' hard work and dedication in 3 critical fields: professional nursing, midwifery, and nursing assistant programs. While delivering the feature address, the health minister underscored the essential role of nurses, midwives, and nursing assistants in bolstering the country's healthcare system. He lauded the graduates for their reliance and emphasized the significance of lifelong learning in the medical field. He further highlighted the government's commitment to enhancing healthcare education, announcing the introduction of advanced nursing training program.
This batch that we have in front of us, they would also have to think about how to use the technology to better serve our patients.
Several graduates were recognized for their outstanding academic and clinical performances, receiving awards for their exceptional contribution to their respective programs. On December 10th, GPHC hosted its first fellowship certification ceremony for a 1-year training program in urogynecology. This milestone, led by the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, recognized the exceptional accomplishment of Dr. Padawini Singh. who completed the advanced hands-on training in the United States. This was made possible through a partnership with Northwell Health. In his remarks, the Minister of Health congratulated Dr. Singh on her accomplishment, emphasizing the impact of her training on service delivery in urogynecology. He also extended gratitude to Northwell Health for their continued collaboration in advancing healthcare in Guyana. To conclude this week, we highlight another graduation ceremony of 82 allied health professionals. The graduates include 25 X-ray technicians, 28 environmental health assistants, 16 dental extenders, and 13 pharmacy assistants. Among them were 2 Belizean students who will return to their country to serve the people. Speaking at the ceremony held at the New Pegasus Corporate Suite in Georgetown on December 13th, Dr. Anthony commended the graduates for their hard work and dedication. He also reminded them for the exciting opportunities that awaits them within Guyana's evolving healthcare sector, which continues to integrate digital technology and advanced imaging techniques to enhance patient care. This accomplishment represents a crucial step in strengthening Guyana's healthcare system, ensuring that the availability of skilled professionals to meet the growing demand of the sector. Thank you for joining us this week. Before we go, we want to celebrate everyone who graduated this week and say an official welcome to the public healthcare sector. We are looking forward to seeing the positive impact you will bring to the healthcare in Guyana and beyond.